Well, today it is time for reviewing IONChain. IONChain is a new platform that aims to seamlessly integrate the Internet of Things devices with the blockchain technology. Here we are on their webpage, and they describe themselves as a platform to design and automate transactions between smart devices. Um, Here we can see the white paper and a introductory video. What else do we have here? Okay, IONChain concept. They say that mm, okay, they are inspired by the famous Swedish physicist Arrhenius, who proposed the theory of ionization. He said that just like molecules and atoms, ions are also the basic particles of matter. Just like ions in physics, ion aims to become the underlying particle in the Internet of Things ecosystem. Mm, I think they're trying to relate the characteristics of ion mixing to form new molecules with the potential capability that ion chain will have to gather and to give a coherent functioning to the several millions of the intelligent devices that can uh, share data and uh, potentially transact with that with the data they gather on the internet. Um, they they have an interesting concept in which every device it will be able to earn rewards, mining rewards. They say that in Ion Chain ecosystem, every Internet of Things device that provides valuable data can act as a mining machine. Once connected to the IONChain network, a device will constantly contribute its calculative power via the ionization algorithm, and in turn receive ions or IONC tokens as mining rewards. IONChain has created a unique consensus algorithm to determine the value contributed by the Internet of Things devices. Okay, yeah, here we have an a router. I know what is this, and microwave, and I know a printer. And the rewards vary, in the proportion of the hardware specification of the device. You know, they have a motto which state that one device, one code, one coin. At IronShine, we will implement the following concept called one device, one code, one coin. In this concept, the device stands for the Internet of Things devices participating in the IONChain ecosystem. Coin stands for the cryptocurrency IONC, and code is the unique identification code which can also be used as a wallet for these Internet of Things devices inside the IONChain network, which is cool because as far as I can see, you just have to uh, plug your sensors or whatever other gadget you have at home, and you will be able to earn mining rewards, as well as you're going to be able to contribute with that device computing power to the overall computing power of the network. And as far as I can see, that their business model is to incentivize users to contribute with their data to the blockchain, the data gathered by their smart devices. And I think they will try to empower users with the final decision on whether or not they want to sell and to share and load that personal information that might be gathered by some house internet of thing device, like, I don't know, a sensor for the lights of the house, and a sensor for the water on their pipes. I know many other sensors that can be right now broadcasting data without the user's consent. Um, then we have uh, IONChain partners. Here, it's they are partnered with Bitchers. Interesting. They have their feature technologies. These are, the technologies used by smart devices to connect and process and transfer data. And we have here their legal support. Okay, let's browse some of the tax here. Let's go to the which one? Let's see the revision. Let's browse to the revision. Okay, the IONChain Foundation is a non-profit foundation operating in Singapore since the beginning of 2018. The foundation holds firm to the vision that our future society will be more connected and interactive. The foundation fund, okay. Their aim is to provide wide range to solve a wide range of problems with current Internet of Things networks in terms of data security, data circulation, data sharing, and data transactions, thus enhancing the efficiency of the whole Internet of Things ecosystem. One of the interesting things that there will be uh, implementing is that data will be transferred only if the user signs the transaction. So it this network can um, give back the right uh, for owning the information with each in the hands. It is in the hands again of each user, which is really cool because right now that information is being sold, in the black market, or it can be used to leverage targeted advertisement campaigns, or even worse, it can be stole by a vulgar thief, someone that is trying to bully or to stalk uh, on someone. It is perfectly doable if somebody knows how to find a breach on those devices security systems, which are really not a highly developed right now, and it can compromise user safety. So it is really cool that IONChain will implement blockchain, private keys, encryption, security on the data on the data that those devices gather. It is a really cool feature. Okay, we have the IONChain Foundation duties and responsibilities. It's more about the institution, the foundation that they created. Being its value, every device is a mining machine. Okay, we have further explanation of why they think that each device is worthy to be considered a mining device, and hence Any device should earn rewards if it is connected to this network. Let's review their team. Well, they all seems pretty young, but there are some others that not that don't seem that much younger. I think they have a good mix of youth and experience. Here's their another founder team, like the CEO. He is a senior blockchain lecturer from MA courses at Fudan University, MBA of East China Normal University. Okay, he have the chief architect. Is blockchain technology and security encryption expert. Okay, he's a core developer of Hyperledger China. Interesting. Their technical director. Yeah, again, he's another core developer of Hyperledger project in China. Their team seems to be, quite. They have quite a background and an interesting um, background, a lot of experience. Let's check their medium. Mm, they're not being that much active right here. Under blog community, let's see. This is another tool feature that I'm about to forget to mention. They're going to allocate 20% of the tokens. I think it will be hard capped at 800 millions, but the issuance of those tokens will be really slow. They are going to issue those 800 billions in 20 years. It is like something like 40 millions a year. I think if they issue their tokens at a constant ratio, it will be like 40 millions per year. Well, but the first issuance will be a huge 20% allocated to community building, which is amazing. And they also will be uh, giving 25% of their token issuance as mining rewards and 15% I think as an node reward. So if we add all that up, it makes 60% of the token allocated to the community that actually is building the network, which is really amazing because it highly incentivizes users and people from outside their sphere to contribute to this network. Well, uh, here let's see what their browser looks like. And, it's currently under development. They're fairly new. They're just released their project this year. So it seems like a really interesting project. Let's see how it evolves, and let's see you in another video. Bye bye.